thunderstorm warning for north central Camden County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 11 p.m. At 10:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Allentown, or near Philadelphia, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Bensalem, Mount Royal, Wilbur, Medford, Lumberton, Burlington, Mount Holly, Riverside, Palmyra, Hatboro, Ambler, Jenkintown, Beverly, Rockland, Lincoln, Pemberton, Bremerton, Wrightstown, and West Reading. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 4 and 5. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 337 and 344. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 25 and 38. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 36 and 50. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following counties in New Jersey, Burlington, and Camden. The following